Okay, see this? Well, this used to be the same thing. So I'm going to try to repair that. That'll be my first job on my lathe since I got it up and running. Wish me luck. And because this thing is imported, of course it's metric. So we've got an M8 by 1.25. So I went and got one of these bolts, and we're going to have to try to connect these two things together. Now I can't remember if I've told everyone that I am a professional welder, and if I did, I lied. But it is stuck together. So let's clean it up and we'll be done. We cut it down to size and good as new. And I am still working on trying to get my shop together. Mill gonna go here. Shaper gonna go here. Toolbox, tools maybe over here. Still working. Hopefully I can have my shop before summer. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you next time.